right? So in a few minutes, we're going to be building a complete one-page website with Claude, right? To do this, you don't have to be a web designer, you don't have to be a coder, you don't have to be a programmer. You just need to copy this prompt on my screen. I'll be sharing it in the comment section of this video. You just need to share this, take this prompt and paste it into Claude. Claude is like the best option for you to do this, right? Take it, paste it into Claude and answer all of the questions Claude would ask you, right? Then I'll show you how to edit the website in case you want to change anything, how to go about that, right? So I'll be teaching you that from scratch to finish, and I'll try to make it as simple as possible, right? So the first thing we are going to do is we'll copy all of these prompts, go to Claude and paste it, right? Okay, now, so Claude would ask you the same exact question. What is the business name? And in a sentence or two, what does it do? So I have some details here that I want to use for testing. So I'll just copy it, get back here, paste it. So here's the next question. So you are going to answer all of these questions for your own business. This is a tutorial. Anything I'm filling in here is for educational purposes. This is not for your business. This is what do they call it? This is a business that doesn't exist, right? So I'll go back and copy the second answer, give it to Claude. The reason why he's asking you all of these questions is so that you can build a website that fits your business perfectly, right? So he's asked me another question. Now, what are the three to five main product services you want featured on? So I'll go back here, copy my answer, come here and paste it. I've asked another question. So he's going to ask you about 9 questions, right? And take out time and answer all of these questions, because that is going to determine how your website will turn out, the kind of website is going to build for your business. So I'll come back here and copy the preferred colors, go back and paste it. Okay, so I'll go back here and copy this. Sorry, this is a CTA, so I'll copy it, paste. So I'll go back here, copy this. So I'll suggest that you do something like this, right? You do something like this, like you write down all your business details like this and fill it, so that when you start building it, you could just copy it like I'm doing, right? I can share this template with you so that you just edit it and put your business details and do it faster, right? Just like I'm doing now. So any real testimonials, reviews, or I'll come back here and copy this. Okay, so he's asking if I have logo or images I want to use, right? So what will happen is let me let me generate some images and the logo. I'll do that quickly. There is a platform I'll use to do that, rev.com. I'll just um, okay. I think I should have an account on this platform. Let me see. So I'll do that. I want it to be complete. I don't want to do a half-baked tutorial. That's why I'm going this far, right? So Rev is here. Rev.com is here. It's a very good platform for image generation. So I'll go to new album and I'll just put the details of say this is the name of the business, Sweet Crumb Bakery. So I'll just ask it, help me generate a logo for this business. And also images. So let's wait for it to do the generation. So these are the images we would upload on Claude so that it will add these images on that website, on the website we're planning to build, right? You are going to use your own logo, your own business images when you get to this part. You're just going to attach it to Claude and it's going to take care of the rest. So let's wait till this generates. Okay, it's taking a little more time. Okay, it's done. It's done with this. It's done with the logo. So let me just save the logo and I'll get back to the other images and save. So I've saved the logo and get back to this image. Save it. Okay, this is the logo. um, okay, these two are the logos. I think I'll just use any of them. We don't have time to be selective at this point. So I think I've saved all of the images. So I'll go back here, click on this plus sign, click on add files or photos, go to downloads, and I'll download okay, I think I didn't download one of them, this one. Let me just download it. So I'll go back here, go to downloads. I don't know why it's not. Why can't I download the other one? All right, so I'll select, okay, I'll just select this one. I think I like this one, this and this, and so it's still uploading to Claude. Let's wait a little. Okay, let me just click on this. So So as you can see, it's starting to generate the website, right? And let's wait a little for it to be done, and then let's see what it comes up with. I have a strong feeling that the website is going to make a lot of sense. Like it's going to make so much sense. Let's see what it comes up with. So we have to be patient, a little bit patient. So in less than a minute or two, it should be done, right? And I promise to show you how to edit it. I'll do that once it's done, so that you don't. There are some things that Claude will generate that you wouldn't like. Maybe the background color, maybe the font, or maybe a particular text that you prefer not to be there. You could edit all of those things, right? I'll show you a platform I built. I built a platform that you could use to edit an AI website, a website that AI built for you. So I'll use the platform right away when it's done generating the one-page website. So let's wait. I think it's taking so much time, but we have to be patient. And maybe I might probably pause the video and resume when it's done to save time. Let's see if I can do that. All right, so our website is ready, right? As you can see, our website is ready. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is so beautiful, right? You see that? See that? Amazing, amazing. So now building is one thing. The next thing you're going to face, the next challenge you're going to face is to upload this website, to make it functional, to make it live, right? And I'm going to show you how to do that right away. But before we upload it, if you want to edit anything on the website, say you want to change this text, or you want to change this button, any of these things, you could do that. I have a platform, I have a tool that I created you could use in doing that. So the name of the tool is tz.io. tz.io. I actually created this tool for myself to edit my own website, my own AI built website, and but I decided to share it with the public, and it's a very beautiful tool, right? So before we get to the tool, the first thing you should do is you need to save the website, right? So you scroll down, come to this option, download. You click on it, it's going to now download the website as a file. Then this file is what we are going to save. I'll show you how to host it so that you have a link to your website that will be live. But before that, let me just show you how to edit the website quickly, right? Remember, we've downloaded it. It's now a file. Look at it. Sweet Crown Bakery HTML. That's the file. This is the website. So if I want to edit anything on the website, I'll come to this platform, tz.io, and this is my platform, like I said. So please visit it. I need more visitors on it, even though I have lots of visitors on it at the moment, right? So I'll click on this option and select the website. This is a website file, right? This is how it's going to show on your PC. And remember, you could use your PC to do this alone. You can't use your mobile phone. So I'll select it, and click on open. And here is the website. You see? And now we could edit anything we want to edit here. So if I want to edit this text, for instance, let's say I want to change it to something else. If I click on it, it will give me the option to type any text I want to change it to here, right? That is how simple it is to edit this website. If I click on some other one, let's say this one, I could type the text I want to replace this one. I could type it here, if I click on this, for instance, I could change it here, right? So let's say I want to change this to maybe baby's birthday cakes. I could remove this custom and type baby's birthday cake. As you can see, it has edited. Let's say I want to change this wedding cakes to maybe wedding cakes and small cups, right? You can see that has been done. And then you could insert links too, right? So for instance, if you click on this order on WhatsApp, you would, if you click on this order on WhatsApp, remember we've provided a WhatsApp contact. So when Claude was generating the website, he automatically saved that number here inside the WhatsApp um, button, right? But if for any reason you now want to, maybe you have another number that you want to change, you want to put and replace this, you could now come here and put your WhatsApp link, your WhatsApp number, say your WhatsApp link, and it's going to be saved here, right? So I want to change something else. Okay, I want to look for an image. Like I said, any of these things could be changed, any of them. Just click on it. And like this one, ready to order your cake. You could remove this and put something else, right? Let's say, for instance, I want to say ready to place your order. Place your order, right? Ready to place your order. Maybe that's what you want to change it to. Any of these tests, like I said, anything can be edited here. When you're now done, you could click on save and download, which is this. But let me change one more thing before we move. Let's say you want to change this image. You want to replace it with some other image. When you click on the image, remember anything you want to edit, you click on that thing. You click on the image, this is where to replace it. So I'll click on this, click to replace this image. If I click on it, I could go back here and select another image, and you see the image has been replaced. This tool is so sweet. It's the best website editing tool so far, right? So if you want to view it on mobile, how it looks on mobile, you can click here and you see how it looks on mobile. Man, this my tool is so amazing. So I'll click on mobile view to go back, to go back to desktop. Now we're done. If you want to preview, if you want to see how the website looks after you've edited it, you click on this option, preview, and it's going to show you what it looks like, when you've edited it. Another thing I have to mention is you can change the background, the color, since like is that amazing. Okay, let me show you that right away. So as you can see, I've clicked on the background and I want to change the color, background color. If I click on it, I could change it to maybe black. You see, I could change it to red, change it to, I could play with the colors and change it to whatever I want to change it to. But let's leave it in the default color, right? Then another thing you could do is you could change. I think I wanted to say something important. Okay, you could change the font. Let's say I want to change this font. These 4 ways to make someone's day. If I want to change it, I'll select it like this, then come to text style font here, and then pick, maybe I want to change it to this bandana, right? You see, so it has changed the font. So if you want to change the background, all of these things, like for instance, I want to change this to black, this background to black. If I click on it, I'll come to background and maybe select this. If I want to change this text, the color of the text, I'll come here and select, maybe I want to change it to white. You see, come here, select the text, come to text color, and select white or red or any other color I want to use. So that's how this platform works. Like, it's an amazing platform, right? So we're done. Let's assume that we're done with editing the things we want to change. Then you come here, click on save and download. So you see your website has been downloaded, and then this is the edited file. right? This is the edited file. This is a file we're now going to upload on the platform I'll show you to use. So the name of the platform, you now upload this website so that it can be live, so that I can share the link with people so that they visit the website. The name of the platform is called Netlify, right? There are other platforms like Netlify. You have Vercel, you have Cloudflare, but let's use Netlify. It's the easiest to use, right? So you go to Netlify and create an account. I have an account. I have about over 5 to 6 accounts on Netlify. So you go to Netlify. When you get to Netlify, you would see this option to sign up. Click on it and then select sign up with Google. But I have an account. That's why it's not showing me the sign up option. So when you click on it to show you to sign up with Google, create an account, you could do that in less than 30 seconds. When you're done, right, what will happen is you're not going to see the page appear like this because you've not saved any website on it yet. Let me show you how the page would appear. It would appear like this, right? So what you do is you scroll to the bottom and click on browse files to upload here. Don't click on choose a folder. Click on this one, please. When you click on it, you come to downloads. Remember, this is the edited version that we edited. So I'll select it. This was the first version. This is the edited one. So I'll select the edited one and click on open. When it prompts you, when this comes up, click on this, not this. Click on rename and deploy, please, so that you don't mess up the uploading. So I'll click on rename and deploy, then it's going to upload it and give us a link, right? All right, so our website is uploaded. This is how it's going to show, like this. So as you can see, this name has to be changed, right? Resonant, whatever. We need to change it to the name of the business. So to do that, you come to project configuration and come to project name. Under project information, project name, come to change project name. Then remove this. Remember, the name of the business is Sweet. Sorry, let me check once again. Sweet Crumb Bakery. Sweet Crumb Bakery, right? Sweet Crumb Bakery. Say it is not available. Maybe someone has used it. So we're just going to maybe use the shorter version. Sweet Crumbs. Let me just put something. Project name not available. What is happening? Okay, so let's just use this because of time, right? When it gets to your turn, use your business name. If someone has selected it, it would not work. So you just use your business name where I'm sure it's supposed to be available, right? So I just used this and I'll click on save. And when I save it, this is how the name would look. As you can see, this is far better than the resonant whatever that was generated. So this is how you change it to your business name. And this is a link. This is a link to your website now, right? It's that easy. So if I click on it, I would see the website, right? So this is the website. And so that is basically the tutorial. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, any inquiries you want to make, reach me on nonso.org, nonso.org. And if you want to book a business section with me, if you want me to build your website, maybe a more advanced website, much more advanced than what you're seeing, I could do that. I have a team that could handle that, right? And Also, if you have a small business, I built an app that could help you to track orders, that will help you to track your sales, orders that are coming in. It's going to help you to send receipts on WhatsApp, right? I have that app. I built it recently. So please, I'll link the link. I'll put the link to the app and you could have access to download it. And I'll tell you the interesting thing about the app. You you don't get to pay for it forever again. You don't need to pay for subscriptions and everything. You install it once and you use it forever. And it's just a one-time fee of 7,500 naira. You buy the app and you install it and you use it for life, right? So check in the comment section and see details on how you have access to that wonderful app. If you're a vendor, you're a small business owner, just like the bakery websites that we built, if you have this kind of small business, you need that app. Sincerely, you need it. It's going to help you a whole lot.